When I saw this Roadie Overnighter, I thought, well, that looks pretty interesting. I wonder if it'll work on the van. Let's see if we can take a look at it. Anyway, here is the Roadie. Now, it is made of pretty heavy duty ripstop nylon. It has got a mosquito net screen right here that zips. It will unzip. But the cool thing, one of the cool things that I really like is they give you one of these little tent stakes, and it will open up to a hood. So if you're using this overnight and it starts raining, well, this hood will protect you and the elements from coming inside your vehicle. And it's not just for a van, okay? You can use this on pretty much any vehicle that you own. But it takes about a minute to install. All around the edges, they have elastic. So you basically just open your door, stretch it all the way around, be creative if you have to, and shut the door. And now you have a pretty awesome windscreen. Now on here I've got the mirrors. I've got those folded in. These are my regular, the kind of mirrors you see on vans. So I've got those folded in. Got the mosquito netting. Here's looking from the inside. So that's my view there. Keeps all the skeeters out. Provides for some good circulation.